Music. Ah, kawan.
The governor next in
Ay, hello. Governor. Hello, hello.
The first vice mayor and president. Siguro hindi na kailangan sabihin ko sa inyo na bisita natin ngayon yung magiting na mayor na lungsod ng Davao City. Pinabilib niya tayo what he did in Davao City, naging very progressive at developed city in the Philippines. We hope pag naging presidente si Mayor Rudy, kaya niyang gawin ito sa Pilipinas. God willing, Mayor. Narinig natin yung mga pronouncement niya na papatay niya yung lahat ng mga criminals at mga drug. Yan ang gusto-gusto namin. Mga drug lords. Kasi yan ang salot ng lipunan. Ang isang tao, pag naalis sa drug, parang outcast na ng society. Sapagkat wala na siyang kalaga sa society, sa community. Sapagkat yung kanyang pag-iisip addicted na siya sa drug. At wala nang maganda siya mag-isip sapagkat is addicted to drug. And drug in Islam is haram.
Let me be straight. I am not here to campaign votes because I know that the MILF is apolitical. I know that you leave it to your group to choose, and I believe that you have given independence to everybody to choose. I am here to state my position very clearly. If I win, inshallah, this is my proposal because I was worried of the failure of the present government to pass the PPL. And I know that you are very, very disappointed. And as a matter of fact, it could have led to violence again, or if not for the moderation provided by your leaders, in Central Committee. And you know that you are hurt. But I said before, as I have predicted correctly, that it is Ribolang Nilayan. Because the present Congress, the composition is just simply, maybe not anti-Muslim, but have to believe that they should be given you the autonomy that you are asking. I just want peace for it. And with the failure of the PPL, alam ko na medyo it's a very sensitive issue, the failure. I am here to plead na you just postpone any action whatever, the decision that might derail the peace process. For after all, it is a commitment by the government, not by an administration. This government, including me, which I am part, most of us are committed, especially Mindanao politicians, leaders, that we should have peace in the land. I agree, and I know the history. And that is why, hindi naman ako nagyayabang. I'm the only one talking about the Mindanao problem. I'm the only one giving them the history so that people will understand everywhere. Ngayon, with the radio of the BBL, may I just also plead to you na kung sakali, God, inshallah, let me just propose another set up of structure just to make everybody happy, the more people of Central Mindanao, and the mga bangsa tauso dito sa papuntang Zamboanga Archipelago. There are also a lot of our brothers who are waiting for what is really should be there on the territory. You have carved a territory. We will not touch it. Hindi natin kalawin yan. It's a collective decision. I leave the present proposed Mangsamoro territory. Then we will carve out also the territory for the Tausok, the Yakans, the Sama, the Padyaws, to have also of their own. Let us go federal. Now, if you think that federalism will do us good, let us propose a new structure for government. Maawa naman sila sa atin. Kasi yung pinipigay nila ng leader, walang ginawa. Kung hindi gumastos yung pera natin, paghati-hatian, sila-sila lang yung malaki, ang naitanaw wala talaga. Arm is the most depressed area in the Philippines. The incidence of hunger, marami dito, and all throughout Mindanao. Sila lang parang pamilya nila. Para silang pamilya naghatian. At ang masakit pa dyan, yung pera ninanakaw. Binupulsa sa livelihood kung ano-anong kalukuhan nila, and it runs into billion. And yet, Mindanao, ang arm is suffering from hunger. Pagka ganun, maghiwalay na lang din tayo. Total, ang mga Kristiyanos dito, ako, may mga anak ako na muro. Kung ganun lang ang ibigay nila, ay maghiwalay na tayo. Kaya sabi ko sa Cebu, kapon, kung iganito ninyo kami, kung gano'n ang pagtingin ninyo sa amin, iwalay-iwalay nyo. Or kung ganito palagi na binubula lang tayo ng national government at ninanakaw pa yung pera at hindi tayo pinagbibigyan ng ang sarili natin, ay anak na, let's go separate. Ako ay willing to... All that I will be asking really is that it must be fair and there must be equality for all. Yan lang. Kaya ang posisyon ko dito, kung makahintay lang kayo, just a matter of months, we will embark on a creative commission just about for 3 months only. We go into a consensus. Hindi ko naman kayo pinipilit na to join the federal. Yung present TBL configuration, you can have it. Walang problema. But let us also give the Tausok, not necessarily to North, but to the Tausok, the Yakans, the Sama, ang Ibadyaws, also, para malaman nila, lalo ng mga Ibadyaws, hindi man nila alam kung ano ang gobyerno. Wala, basta sila papasyal-pasyal ng gano'n. They will use to that kind of. They do not know there's such thing as government that can take care of them, that can make their lives more better than what they are having.
Pinaliwanag niyo kanina na may group pa yung Moro. And the way we talk to us now, ako naniniwala na Moro nga kayo. At hindi lamang basta Moro, parang nagsasalita tayo na parang Imayalit pa yun.
Pahinga na ako dyan.
At higit sa lahat, parang pwede na kayong maging Muslim sapagkat sa tingin ko qualified kayong maging Muslim. Sapagkat sa Muslim, hanggang 4 ang alaw.